So question 1, 14.99% of 4799.995 divided by what is equal to 170% of 7.111. Option A 30, option B 60, option C 15 and option D 25. So simplification is a major part in banking exams, and we don't have to calculate the actual value, but we just have to approximate the answer. So in the question also we approximate the values, that is 14.99%, we take it as 15%, this we round it off to 4800, and this just take it as 7.1. So let's see how we can solve this. So the question actually becomes 15% of 4800 by what is equal to 170% of 7.1. So what is 15% of 4800? What is 10% of 4800? 10% of 4800 is equal to 10 by 100 into 10 by 100 into 4800, which is equal to 1 by 10 of 4800, that is 4800 by 10, which is equal to 480. Now we have 10% is equal to 480, then what will be 5%? Half of 480, that is 240. Now what will be 15%? 10% plus 5%, that is 480 plus 240. Okay, I'll write it again. So 15% of 4800 is equal to 10% of 4800, that is 480, plus 5% of 4800, that is 240. So add this up, then we get 720 as 15% of 4800. Now this whole thing becomes 720. Now what is 70% of 7.1? Sorry, 170% of 7.1. What is 100% of 7.1? Equal to 7.1 itself. That is 100% of a value is equal to the value itself. And what is 70% of 7.1? So 10% of 7.1 is 0.71. So 70% will be 0.71 into 7, that is 4.97. Now we get 100% of 7.1 as 7.1 and 70% of 7.1 as 4.97. So 170% of 7.1 is equal to 12 approximately. So the question actually becomes 720 by what is equal to 12, or this is equal to 720 by 12 equal to 60. So we have the answer 60. Hope you got it. Let's go to the second question. Second question, square root of 5573.89 plus 5669.02 plus 5656.95 minus square root of 65.97 into 90.15 plus 735.05 minus 1049.91 is equal to what? Option A 64, option B 55, option C 85 and option D 75. So the first thing you have to do is approximate. all the values. So this becomes, this becomes 5574, this becomes 5669, and this 5657, this 66, this 90, this 735, and this 1050. So let's see. So the question actually becomes square root of 5574 plus 5669 plus 5657 minus square root of 66 into 90 plus 735 minus 1050. So adding up all this, we get 16,900, and this whole value becomes 5625. So the answer will be square root of 16,900 minus square root of 5625. Now what is square root of 16,900? This can be written as root of 169 into 100. So what is root of AB? Equal to root AB is equal to root A into root B. Similarly, root 169 into 100 is equal to root 169 into root 100, which is equal to 13 into 10 is equal to 130. What is the square root of 169? 13. And what is the square root of 100? 10. So we have the square root of 16,900 as 130. Now what is square root of 5625? Before telling that, I will say how we can calculate the square of a number ending in 5. Let's take just take some examples. So take 15. What is the square? 225. 25. What is the square? 625. Or 15 square is 225. 25 square is 625. 35 square is 1225. So see, what is common here? 25 is common here at this side. Now how we can calculate this part? This is what I am discussing now. So take this value, take the next number of this value and the number, whole number series. So what is the next number to 1? It is 2, and multiply 1 into 2. Similarly, so you get the answer here. We write the answer here. So you get the square of 15 as 225. Now 25 square, write 5 square 25 in the right side. Now how we get 6 here? What is the next number of 2? 3. So 3 into 2, 6. That is here. Now again 35 square, write 5 square 25 here. Now what is the next number of 3? 4. 4 into 3, 12. So that is written here. So if it is like that, how we can calculate the square root of 5625? Yes, its right side is ending in 25. Therefore, the square root of this number ends in 5. Now check if this is in the format n into n plus 1. Is it in the format? Yes, because it is 7 into 7 plus 1, that is 8. 7 into 8. Then take the lower value, write it here. Therefore, square root of 5625 is 75. So this whole process finally becomes, the answer becomes 130 minus 75, which is 55. So let's go to the third question. 827.018 plus 321.012 plus 2333.943 minus 333.043 minus 323.912 is equal to 113 into what? Option A 35, option B 42, option C 15 and option D 25. So first thing, approximate all the values. So the calculation becomes 827 plus 321 plus 2334 minus 333 minus 324 is equal to 113 into x. So this adding up 2, 3, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 8, 2, 7, we get 8 plus 4, 12, 1, 5 plus 3, 8, 4, 3. Yeah, we get 3482 here. Now this is minus of 333 plus 324, that is 657. Therefore 3482 minus 657 is 12 minus 5, 7, 5, then 7 minus 5, 2, 14 minus 6, 8 and 2, 2825. Therefore we get 2825 is equal to 113 into x, or x is equal to 2825 divided by 113. Sorry, this is wrong. It is 113. X is equal to 2825 by 113, which is 25. So 2825 divided by 113, 226. So 12 minus 6, 6, 7 minus 2, 5, 5, 6, 5, 5. Yeah. So let's go to the fourth question. Square root of 9026 into square root of 80 divided by 14.978 plus what is equal to 199.989. Option A 187, option B 165, option C 125 and option D 143. So just the question was actually square root of 926 into square root of 80 divided by 15 plus x is equal to, sorry, this is actually 14 point something and 199.989. So just take this as square root of 9025 for our convenience, and this as 81, square root of 81, because we can easily find the square root of 9025 and 81. Hence we take it as square root of 9025 into square root of 81 divided by 15, that is we are rounding off 14 points, that value to 15, plus x is equal to, and round off again, 199.989 rounded off to 200. Therefore the question becomes square root of 9025 into square root of 81 divided by 15 plus x is equal to 200. And what is square root of 9025? As I said before, write 5 here. Now if 90 is in the format n into n plus 1, yes, because it is 9 into 10, that is 9 plus 1. Therefore write 9 here, lower value here. So we get square root of 9025 as 95. Now what is square root of 81? It is 9, and hence the calculation becomes 95 into 9 divided by 15 plus x is equal to 200, and this becomes 3, 5, and this 19. So 19 into 3 is 57. Therefore 57 plus x is equal to 200, or x is equal to 200 minus 57, that is 143. So let's go to the fifth question. 12,171.96 plus 1,284.98 plus 2,471.025 minus 3,742.011 plus 2,525.036 plus 526.987 is equal to what? Option A 8,751, option B 9,134, option C 9,861, option D 7,642. So round off all values, will get 12,172 plus 1,285 plus 2,471 minus 3,742 plus 2,525 plus 527. So just add these values, so subtract this from this, you have the answer. I hope you can do it your own. If you need any help, please ask me in the comment section. So I'll go to the next question, sixth question. Okay, the average of 8 numbers is 25, out of which average of first 2 numbers is 39 by 2 and the average of next 3 numbers is 70 by 3. The sixth number is less than the 7th and 8th by 5 and 8 respectively. Find the 7th number. Option A 26, option B 31, option C 39 and option D 70. Average of 8 numbers is 25. Then what will be the sum of 8 numbers? Number of observation into average. That is 8 into 25. That is equal to 200. Now it is given that the average of first two numbers is 39 by 2. Then sum of first two numbers will be 39 by 2 into 2, which is 39. And also sum of next 3 numbers is 70 by 3. Average of next 3 numbers is 70 by 3. Then the sum of 3, 4, 5. Third, fourth and fifth number will be 70 by 3 into 3, which is 70. So we have the sum of all the 8 numbers as 200, sum of first 2 as 39 and sum of next 3 as 70. Then this is 39, this is 70 and all of this is 200. Then what will be this? 200 minus 39 plus 70, that is 200 minus 109, which is equal to 91. Therefore, the sum of last three numbers, that is 6th, 7th and 8th numbers, will be 91. And let's take 7th number as x. Then what is said in the question? The 6th number is less than the 7th and 8th by 5 and 8 respectively. Okay, 6th number is less than the 7th and 8th number by 5 and 8 respectively. So if this is x, this is x minus 5. And if x minus 5 is less than the 8th number by 8, what will be 8th number? X minus 5 plus 3, x minus 5 plus 8, which is x plus 3. So we get 6th, 7th and 8th numbers as x minus 5, x and x plus 3, and we have to calculate the 7th number, which is x. So we have x minus 5 plus x plus 3 is equal to 91, or 3x minus 2 is equal to 91. That is 3x is equal to 91 plus 2, that is 93. X is equal to 93 by 3, which is 31. So 3x minus 2 is equal to 91, or 3x is equal to 91 plus 2, that is 93, and x is equal to 93 divided by 3, which is 31. So let's go to the next question. Amit, Bharat and Chirag started a business with their investments in the ratio 1:2:4. After 6 months, Amit invested 1.5 times the amount as before. Bharat invested thrice the amount as before, and while Chirag withdrew 1/4 of his investment. What will be the ratio of their profits at the end of the year? Option A, 5:16:14. Option B, 16:5:14. Option C, 14:5:12. And option D, 14:12:5. So this is the scenario. Their investment was initially in the ratio 1:2:4. So consider Amit's investment as 1, 2, 4. And they invested like this for 6 months. All of them invested in this ratio for 6 months. Now after 6 months, Amit made the investment 1.5 times the amount as before. Therefore, what is 1.5 times of 1? 1.5. Now Bharat invested thrice the amount as before. Means 2 became 2 into 3, that is 6. And Chirag withdrew 1/4 of his investment. So Chirag withdraws 1/4 of 4, which is 1. Therefore, after 6 months, the investment becomes 4 minus 1, which is 3. And like this, they again this investment they do for another 6 months. Now how we can consider the total investment? What we do is multiply the investment with the duration. Then only we can calculate the share of their profit, because when the durations are different, investments are different, what we do is multiply the investment with the duration and calculate the total investment accordingly. Therefore, in the case of Amit, what will be the investment? 1 into 6 plus 1.5 into 6. Why? Because he invested 1 for 6 months and 1.5 for another 6 months. Therefore 1 into 6 is 6 plus 1.5 into 6 is 9, which is 6 plus 9, which is 15. Now in the case of Bharat, he invested 2 initially for 6 months. Then he made the investment thrice, which means the next investment was 6 for again in a 6 months. Therefore what will be his total investment? 2 into 6 plus 6 into 6, which is equal to 12 plus 36, that is 48. Now what will be Chirag's investment? Similarly 4 into 6 plus 3 into 6, that is 24 plus 18, which is equal to 42. Now their share of profits will be accordingly the share of their total investment. So their share of profits, ratio of the share of profits at the end of the year will be 15 is to 48 is to 42, which is 5 is to 16 is to 14.